Alrighty guys, today we're going to show you how to utilize the explode feature. This is going to be common in a lot of CAD softwares. AutoCAD utilizes it as well. So the most common place that you'll see it in our Art Pro automation software is going to be when you're exploding a text so that you can work with it in a vector format. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on this text function. There, we'll change the name there. Like this, and now I'm going to draw a box around that text. Alright, we'll click the check, and now notice this text it's all blocked, it's black right now. So this is just one example of when you would need to explode something. I'm going to select it so it's red and just click the X key. Don't worry about the accuracy unless you have issues exploding. You can modify this and reduce the value. But for right now, we're just going to leave that. 90% of the time, you'll leave it exactly as it is, and you'll just click the check. Once you click it, it automatically converts this from a regular text to a vector. So now that would be ready to go. You can utilize the stencil tool or the bridging tool, and you can drag through these parts to make this ready to cut. And there you go. So that will be ready to cut. And the only other area where you might use the explode feature, but more commonly you'll use Ungroup, which is the U on the keyboard. But if you have an image come in, or something where, let's see, let's do a hexagon, check. This is all connected together. If we group it, now it's all one part. But if we select this, we can click the X and we can the checkbox, and that will also ungroup and break it apart. So that's another area where you might use the explode feature or the explode feature, or you could use ungroup in that scenario. So primarily using explode when you're working with text to convert them into a vector format to edit. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at squickmons.com. You can go to Contact Us tab up at the top right, and you'll be able to go into there and you can put in a video request. We're going to do all of our videos primarily in Art Pro Automation. We also do Inkscape and some other software, some 3D modeling software. So if you do have requests, don't be afraid to reach out and drop those in there, as well as you can go to an email and you could reach out to us at support@Squickmons. So thanks again, guys, and we look forward to showing you more.